In this short video, we'll be discussing gerunds and gerund phrases as subjects. So gerunds and gerund phrases are sometimes used as subjects of sentences. This is very common in academic writing. They allow you to write about complex and abstract ideas, and it allows you to avoid using a subject that performs the action of the verb. Using gerund or gerund phrases as a subject of a sentence is a major difference between informal writing and academic writing. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. We have writing is difficult. Writing is a gerund, and this is the subject of the sentence. Is the verb. Running seems like very good exercise. Running again. We have an ing form of the verb. This is a gerund. It's acting like a noun, and it is the subject of the sentence. The main verb of this sentence is seems. You can take a look at several more example sentences of gerunds as subjects of sentences. Now let's take a look at a couple of examples of sentences with gerund phrases as subject. These are a little bit more complicated. So the first sentence is, writing an essay in a second language is very difficult. So we start the gerund phrase with a gerund, and then we have all the modifiers and objects that follow it included in the gerund phrase. So writing an essay in a second language, that's actually the subject of this sentence. So this whole idea is the subject of the sentence, and the verb is. Let's look at another example. Running in the hills seems like very good exercise. So we went from just running, we added some information in the form of a prepositional phrase. So we have running in the hills, that's a gerund phrase, and it's a subject of the sentence. The main verb in this sentence is seems. Let's take a look at several more examples of gerund phrases as subjects of sentences. And that's just a little bit about gerunds and gerund phrases as the subjects of sentences.